Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Explained. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can change the skirt you're wearing as a stylist on SuperStylist game. So let's get started. First of all, open the SuperStylist game on your device. Next, tap on the outfit that you've been wearing as a stylist. You might have to wait for some time. Next, select the skirt section and pick the one of your choice. Once you're happy with the dress, you can tap on the little green icon and then finalize the skirt. And that's it. This is how you can change the skirt you're wearing as a stylist on SuperStylist game. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you'll never miss another gaming update.